How to add back to top button in Wix. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make scrolling easy on Wix. After opening the Wix, click on the Edit Site button from the top right corner. Now you can edit your whole site, each and everything, whatever you want to change. Well, scroll down to Subscribe Form button and My Site. Then click on the plus icon to add elements from the dashboard. From here, you can change text, theme text, image, buttons, and many more. Click on Buttons. You can choose any style of your button. Then choose a button and drag to adjust it according to your need. Then tap on a button. You can change its color, layout, design, animation, or you can also add a link in it. You can add a top or bottom of the page link or choose the top option, which takes you to the top of the page, then click on Done. You can also adjust the size of the button. Then click to preview, which will help you view the site with the changes you made. If you click on the button, it takes you to the start of the site because you have added the link to it. This is how you add a back to top button in Wix. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.